Hello students, welcome to my educational channel EasyEd. In this video, we are continuing from our last topic, that was taxonomic categories. In our last video, we have completed up to the category class. Now in this video, we will start from the next higher category, that is phylum. Above class comes phylum or division. In animals, we call it phylum, and in plants, we call it division. Now, what is a phylum or division? Phylum or division is a group of related class. Group of related class is known as phylum or division. I will give you an example. For example, in animals, there is a phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata has many classes, 5 classes, mainly 5 classes in which there are fishes, amphibia, reptiles, birds and mammals. All these classes, related classes, come under phylum Chordata. So similarly, different related classes are grouped under a phylum in animals and as division in plants. Now comes the next higher category, which is the topmost category, that is kingdom. Mainly, all the organisms are divided into two main kingdoms, that is a plant kingdom and an animal kingdom. All the plants are included under plant kingdom and all the animals are included under animal kingdom. What does it mean? Each kingdom will have a group of related phylums. Simple. So all the plants are included in plant kingdom and all the animals are included in animal kingdom, and kingdom becomes the highest category of taxonomic classification, as a species is the basic unit, the lowest unit of classification. Species, I told you, is the basic unit of the classification. Kingdom is the topmost or the highest category of classification. Now what happens in some organisms, in some examples, because of so much diversity and complexity, some categories have been divided into subcategories. Some categories such as class, order, family are divided into some small categories that are known as subcategories. Not in all the organisms, but in some you can find suborders, subfamilies, superorder, superfamilies. Means inside an order there are some suborders, inside a family there are some subfamilies, above order there is a superorder, above family there is a superfamily, like that. These subcategories are found in some organisms depending upon their diversity, their complexity. Now this is taxonomic classification, hierarchy of taxonomic classification, and make it understand that you have to learn all these categories in this hierarchy only, maybe in the ascending order, that means from species to kingdom, or in the descending order from kingdom to species. You have to learn them in the same hierarchy step by step. Now I told you that all these classification, this categorization is based on the characters, their similarities and dissimilarities. So one thing you will see that as we move in descending order, that means from kingdom to species, what will be the nature of the characters? The similarities will increase. There will be more similarities in the lowest category. And as we move in the ascending order, that means from species up to kingdom, what you will see? That the differences or diversity or dissimilarities increase. So remember this and remember the hierarchy. Now all the organisms are classified on this basis, into various categories given based on their characters. They have been grouped into a specific category, and all the organisms have been given the name, scientific name, biological name in this taxonomic classification. You have to learn at least 4 or 5 examples. You can learn at your ease, whatever is easy learning for you. Here I am giving you some examples. See first the example of man. Human being means you. Human being or man, common name man, comes under kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primata, family Hominidae, genus Homo, species Sapiens. Now, the biological name of man comes to be Homo sapiens, genus, species make the biological name. So, in this way, the classification of organisms is done. All the organisms are classified in the same manner. You have to learn how to write the classification. Starting from kingdom, you have to go downwards up to the species in all the organisms, and then the genus and the species name will make its biological name. You know the rule of writing biological name of genus with capital, name of species with small, both have to be underlined separately. This is the rule of writing the taxonomic classification of all the animals. Don't forget it. Here I will give you one more example from animals, that is lion. Lion again comes under kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, family Felidae, genus Panthera, species Leo. Now the biological name for lion comes to Panthera leo. Panthera leo means lion. One example from plant, common name mango. You all know what is mango. Comes under kingdom Plantae, division Angiospermae, class Dicotyledone, order Sapindales, family Anacardiaceae, genus Mangifera, species Indica, biological name Mangifera indica, that means mango. All these names may sound somewhat uncommon to you, somewhat difficult to you, but you will learn it very easily as you study forward. So this is all about taxonomic categories, taxonomic classification. We'll continue our next topic in our next video. Tune for it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.